Hi guys, welcome for another vlog for this week. It's going to be a bowling with a Christmas tables buffet, and we are on our way. So we will see if it's very quick to go there. And the weather is very cold, minus 4 degrees, and it's sunny. It's a kind of weather, nice weather though. And follow me. So let's do the walking. Walk. Do. And just enjoy this. Almost there. That's the bowling ball. And this is my first time to go to the bowling. I haven't played bowling before, but this is my first time, so I hope I'm gonna win this time. This is my first time, and ay paulit din. What ulit? My first time, yes, this is my first time. And so I hope, let's get inside. I hope it's going to be I'm getting hungry. It says that we have to play the bowling first before the buffet, and that's the bowling balls. And you can play, if you have the whole family with you with kids, you can play this the arcade. And that's the changing room. Let's change it to bowling shoes. So I got 38 size, and then of course I'm free to roam around when if you get a change to your shoes. They have a billiard also, billiard table. This is the first. This is like they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4. They call it bond. And then I don't have coins, so we will just look around, enjoy the ambience of the bowling area with the restaurant and some arcade and gaming area. So enjoy the rest of this video. Shout out ka artista. And we get the response so that they recognize us that we are included to the game and the buffet. So it's a green one. Nice ambience, guys. I like the ambience of this restaurant with the bowling area. So hello mga ka-artista. Ayan o, haggard na haggard. Early morning. And yes. I will like it. Alright, it's time for the Christmas table buffet. So I'm a bit hungry after 2 hours of playing of bowling, and now it's Swedish table, Christmas table. So it's a lot of different dishes, different spices. That's cute, delicious, a lot of delicious. Dessert, some Swedish bread, coffee. I got hungry. Yeah, look at that. An egg, choices, guys. It's really what to choose, but they're cute. Potatoes. So, kain na. Pagkain na ang ka-artista. Oh, for the sweet treat for your teeth. Oh, I hope you like this video. So, kainan na. So, thank you for watching. Bye! Ayan na! Nag-score! O, diba? Bowling. And look at Emily. For total of 127. O, diba? Malaki.